If I reopen my structure panel using Command I, we can see the elements nested within the containers here. Let's look at how to edit these elements. To edit that text, just select any text on the page and simply change the text. We can also edit the text over here on the left. When we click Style and then click Edit Typography, we can edit the style of this text element, and we have lots of control over different settings. This works the same way for our buttons. Click on this button, and you can make changes here on the left. I'll change the text to say, View Destinations. And of course, you can style your buttons as well. I'll change my button font color here. To change an image, simply click on the image, then select Choose Image on the left, and upload your new image here. I'll select a new file, and when it's done uploading, select again. In the Style tab on the left side, you have many options to make changes to the position and alignment of your image. To make changes to other pages on our website, click the Page dropdown in the top bar and select a different page. Once we're on the new page, we can edit elements in the exact same way.